This beautifully renovated historic home is nestled on 9 acres, offering privacy and stunning views in Virginia. The interior features woodwork and a completely remodeled kitchen with stainless appliances and custom cabinets. The upper level offers 3 bedrooms, an updated bath and laundry room. Recent updates include a new roof, dual heat pumps, and a new septic system. This property offers a perfect blend of history, privacy, and lake life. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.